Need to replace that hatch. Well, back to doing handyman work. Replacing an old kitchen faucet, installing a medicine cabinet, and fixing a light switch. Hopefully this goes smoothly. Most likely it will not. I know I'm going to have problems with the medicine cabinet with the old house, lath and plaster walls. I don't know how old this kitchen faucet is, but there's always going to be something messed up with taking the old one out. Or the shutoffs don't work, things like that. Probably the easiest thing will be the light switch. So, let's get started. Hey buddy. Good boy. I wonder why these are all on the floor. Oh boy. There's always a curveball. We've got this water filter, and man, I don't know if they want to keep it, so send a text message off to the homeowner. Where is the cold? Hot is right there. Cold is right over there. Goes into the filter, out of the filter, and then into the old faucet. I think I got lucky. Had the water shut off, and I've had the faucet on. No drips. That's a good first start. Try not to ever let your sink get this way, or the underneath part of your sink. Right there, that's not ideal. We got this one here. I'm not sure what's up with this. This one's like crushed. And there's another potential leak down here where that one's has that severe bend. So we are not keeping. I gotta keep this hose up. Get this one up in here. Jesus. Let's hope this one is off too. Oh, how's this gonna come off? Oh, not too bad. Looks like somebody did some interesting things. So this screw here and this screw here, hopefully you can see that. I don't get electrocuted. Yeah, there you go. Loosen these up and this should spin down. Gotta figure out, these things are always a pain in the ass. These couplers, because I'm upside down getting dripped on. You guys could probably tell easier than I can how this freaking thing comes out. Oh, wait a minute. Ooh. That was just barely in there. These things are all different. Oh, there it is. Oh, that was a piece of cake. Wow. It's crazy how loose this connection was. I just spun that out with my fingers. I'm just positioning these hoses to hopefully slide over all of these. This big nut here. There we go. Oh shit. Alright, gotta undo more freaking fittings. So they had a couple different fitting combinations to use these toilet supply lines to get to there. So I got to take all this off so that that nut will slide over them. So one thing that's definitely necessary, to do this job is you got to be flexible to get into places like this. For the next week, I gotta get down in here. I'll be up and in and out of an attic, crawling around. I should just cut these things. Sorry if you can't see very good. First, now, this shit comes out. All right, now everything should come out. No wasting time. The new one is going right back in. Now there's a lot more modern ways of attaching this than the one I just removed, but this one happens to use the exact same thing. So you'll hear some grunting and groaning. Where's that weird shim? This is the tool they give you. You gotta thread everything on it first. Piece of cake, man. Actually, get a pretty good grip on it. I'm gonna go up, make sure it's centered the way it swings, and then give another torque that down. All right, everything looks good up top. This part is kind of interesting. To install the weight. Ah, that's why there's a rubber O-ring in there. So this is supposed to be toolless. So this goes on here. This just screws on. No thread sealant, no nothing. That O-ring is what does the sealing. And you just snug it down hand tight. And now we go in there and push this on this other little thing up there. All right, here it goes. Push. lights on. Let's see if that works enough to psh, psh, psh. All right, let's go down below and check for leaks. Any leakages? Any leakages? All right, we could have a leak there. No. And no leaks there. And that little connector up there. I don't see any leaks. No leaks and no leaks.